The Thomas Promise is Thomas Beach Vacation's pledge to the highest standards of hygiene, safety, cleanliness, and disinfection. From check-in to check-out, your health and safety are our priorities. Our guest service representatives, housekeepers, and maintenance personnel adhere to CDC guidelines, including wearing face masks for your protection and theirs.
Plexiglass shields are installed at our lobby counters. Floor signage indicates social distancing, one guest is helped at a time, and hand sanitizer is available. Lobbies and common areas are cleaned and disinfected at scheduled times. Ultraviolet light in the office air conditioning helps control the growth of contaminants such as mold, bacteria, fungus, and viruses. Ultraviolet light also disinfects our keys, pool passes, and wristlets. Your check-in packets are pre-assembled and ready to be passed to you in a basket under the plexiglass. A no-hassle drop box checkout prevents you from entering the building upon departure. Our rentals are treated with hospital-grade, EPA-approved cleaners with extra attention given to high-touch areas such as doorknobs, bathrooms, appliances, lamps, remotes, light switches, and more. Plus, properties are reviewed by an inspector before given the OK for check-in. Linens are washed and disinfected at our in-house laundry facility and cellophane wrapped when transported to prevent contamination. In the property, furniture, bedding, curtains, and carpet are disinfected. If the rental has porches or patios with furniture, they too will be cleaned and disinfected. If you are staying in a high-rise or resort, common areas are cleaned and maintained by the resort or AHLA staff. Thomas Beach Vacations goes the extra mile as an accredited member of the American Hotel and Lodging Association's Safe Stay program. This unites our industry behind a common set of cleaning and safety practices in accordance with health authorities, including the CDC. Safe Stay is endorsed by all major U.S. hotel brands, travel and hospitality associations, and individual hospitality associations from all 50 states.
You can be assured that Thomas Beach Vacations is committed to the highest cleaning standards. We want your vacation to be enjoyable and worry-free. You have the Thomas Promise.